All right, folks, let's dive in. Today, I want to talk about something that's incredibly important but often overlooked: balancing work and business. It's a journey that's filled with challenges but also immense rewards. Balancing work and business is no easy feat, but I'm here to share my journey with you. It's a path that requires constant adjustment, learning, and a lot of perseverance. I'm not just talking about the cliches you've heard 1,000 times, the ones that sound good in theory but are hard to apply in real life. I mean, real, actionable steps that changed my life. These are strategies that you can start implementing today to see a tangible difference. First off, I had to get comfortable with saying no. Sounds simple, right? But in reality, it's one of the hardest things to do, especially when you're used to being a people pleaser. But trust me, it's a game changer. Saying no allows you to reclaim your time and energy, which are your most valuable resources. When you stop overcommitting, you start focusing on what truly matters. You can channel your efforts into projects and tasks that align with your goals and values. And focus, my friends, is the key to balance. Without it, you're just spinning your wheels, getting nowhere fast. Next, I embrace scheduling like my life depended on it, because in a way, it did. Time management is crucial when you're juggling multiple responsibilities. I broke down my day into blocks: work, family, self-care, and yes, even downtime. Each block had its own dedicated time, ensuring that I was giving my best to each area of my life. This wasn't just about cramming more into my day, but about making sure I was present in each moment. Being present means you're fully engaged and not distracted by other tasks or worries. This approach allowed me to be present at work, present with family, and present with myself. It's about quality, not just quantity. Present at work, present with family, and present with myself. This holistic approach ensures that no part of your life is neglected. Now here's a big one: delegation. If you think you can do everything yourself, you're setting yourself up for burnout. Trust me, I've been there. If you think you can do everything yourself, you're setting yourself up for burnout. It's not sustainable, and it's not healthy. I learned to trust my team, empowering them to take ownership of their roles. This not only lightened my load, but also fostered a sense of responsibility and growth within the team. Not only did it free up my time, but it also made the whole business run smoother. A well-delegated team is a well-oiled machine. Remember, a true leader builds leaders, not followers. By empowering others, you create a ripple effect of competence and confidence. Another crucial aspect was setting boundaries. I made it clear when I was available and when I wasn't. This was essential for maintaining my sanity and productivity. I made it clear when I was available and when I wasn't. This helped me protect my time and energy. No emails during dinner, no business calls during family time. These boundaries helped me stay focused and present in each aspect of my life. It was tough at first, but it paid off immensely. My relationships improved and my stress levels decreased. It showed everyone around me that my time is valuable and that they should respect it. Let's not forget self-care. This is non-negotiable. Taking care of yourself is the foundation of everything else. Whether it's hitting the gym, meditating, or just reading a book, taking time for yourself is essential. It recharges your batteries and keeps you going. It's not selfish, it's necessary. When you're at your best, you can give your best to others. When you're at your best, you bring your best to everything you do. Your work improves, your relationships flourish, and your overall quality of life enhances. Finally, let's talk about passion. If you love what you do, it never feels like work. Passion is the fuel that keeps you going, even when things get tough. If you love what you do, it never feels like work. Find that thing that makes you jump out of bed in the morning. It's the ultimate motivator. Find that thing that makes you jump out of bed in the morning. For me, it's helping others succeed. Seeing others achieve their goals because of my guidance is incredibly fulfilling. For me, it's helping others succeed. When you're passionate, the balance comes naturally because you're driven by something bigger than yourself. It's not just about you, it's about the impact you're making. When you're passionate, the balance comes naturally because you're driven by something bigger than yourself. Passion aligns your actions with your purpose, making everything else fall into place. So, there you have it, folks, my roadmap to achieving work-life balance and success. It's a continuous journey, but one that's worth every step. My roadmap to achieving work-life balance and success. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, but I hope it gives you some ideas to tweak your own journey. Everyone's path is different, but the principles remain the same. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, but I hope it gives you some ideas to tweak your own journey. Stay focused, stay passionate, and keep pushing forward. You got this. Thanks for tuning in. Stay focused, stay passionate, and keep pushing forward. You got this. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, the journey to balance and success is ongoing, but with the right strategies, it's absolutely achievable. Until next time, stay inspired, stay balanced, and keep chasing those dreams. Your journey is unique and your success is within reach. Keep striving and you'll get there.